Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. Please check out the description box for all the nice links. Drop a like, subscribe, check in the bell notification icon as well if you like the content. Check out the top right eye for more nice links. Today is about linking LuaJIT. Lua just in time is a just-in-time compiler for Lua, and it is a very fast version of Lua. So this is perfect for games. I'm not going to talk too much about it right now. This is more about just linking it. So I want you to Google LuaJIT and come to luajit.org// whatever that is, install here, and you'll find a lot of things on the left side. I want you to go to download first, and here it doesn't depend on which platform you're on. You just download the same one here, LuaJIT. You download the zip or whatever you want, and once you have that down, go to the installation section, and I want you to read this, okay? I want you to go down to whatever is relevant for you. So if you're on Linux, you can link it here using all these instructions. Very simple, building it, installing it. So what you're getting is just source files and stuff. You need to actually build the bin files or the lib files, sorry, and all that stuff, the DLLs. You have to build that. So I want to go down to the Windows system here, and we'll see what the prerequisites are. You need a Visual Studio MSVC command line. So you need to download Visual Studio anyway for this. You could download Cygwin for Windows to do this, but I recommend this way. So here it says how to build it. You have to open the command prompt. I'll show you this in a second. But first of all, when you go to Mac, I'm pretty sure you need to use the cross-compiling options here. So check all this out, read all this, and see how to do it. I'm not sure about Mac, but I'll show you the Windows way. And then the embedding part is good to know what you need to include and what to think about when running with Lua. So Lua is also good to know as a standalone language. It's a very nice, powerful scripting language, so it doesn't hurt to know it. So read up as much as you can about it. Let's go to the Windows section though. So what I did is I have actually downloaded it already right here, and in the zip file you just want to open that, and you'll see you'll have a source folder right there. I want to take all of this LuaJIT stuff from here, and I want to paste it into CPP or this external folder here. So I'm just going to copy paste that over like that. Once that's done, you'll have the folder here. Go into it and just go to the source folder and copy this whole part right here. Okay, copy the whole path, and then go to your Visual Studio project. You should have it open. So once your files are copied, you need to open up this MSVC command prompt, the Visual Studio command prompt. And remember, we need to do this for x86. So there are two ways to open this. You can either go here and you can do CMD, and you'll see this cross tools come up. But this isn't a good way because it will probably build it for the 64-bit version for you. You don't want that because we're running the x32. If you want to run everything in x64, remember, you can do that on your own. It's not a big difference from what we're doing. I'm doing it here just so if you want to copy anything, copy this project from GitHub or whatever, then you can do it without any issues with the platform here, depending if you don't have 64-bit Windows. So that's why we're running 32-bit. That's why I want to build it for that. So I want you to go to Tools, go to Command Line, Command Prompt, and then it will open for whatever version you have here. You copied the path, hopefully, and we're just going to right click that in CD. Right click in that, boom, and we'll be right here. You want to be in the source folder when you do this, and then you will just want to write MSVC build like that, and it will start building for whatever platform you're on right here. So once you're built, it will say successfully built LuaJIT for Windows and whatever version you have. This was correct for us, x86, perfect, that's 32-bit. So we'll keep that, we'll close this down, and you'll just go into your folder here, source, and you'll see lib files, you'll see DLL files, you'll see the exe here, you'll see a bunch of things here that you need. So if you don't see the DLL files and the lib files, you know it didn't link properly, as well as it complaining in the CMD window right there. So you should have everything built in your external file that you need. Let's go to properties again and do the same thing as you did for SFML. So go to general, press this, edit, press the new line, go to where your external file is and the LuaJIT source, and just leave it at source. And remember to copy or do this solution there. I can't stress enough to spell things correctly while you're doing this because it won't be easy to notice these errors. So I want you to double check these videos and make sure you're linking everything perfectly like you're supposed to. Check out all the other tutorials you can find on this so you can see that everything is spelled correctly. Okay, really look into it, every little thing, every little detail. So once that's done, we can actually just copy this, whatever we just did there, the source up until the source, because the linker will be the exact same thing. General, edit, new line, and just paste it right there, and you'll see that you have a source right there, LuaJIT 2.0.5 source. Okay, apply. Once that's done, there's just a little teensy weensy thing left to do. Go to all configurations and you'll see different options. Actually, you know what, don't do that, go to release first, do this, and down here we're gonna do Lua jit.lib and then lua51.lib. Once you have these two done, copy them, press OK, apply, and go to debug here as well. And you want to do the same thing. You just want to paste them in here and press OK, apply. Once that's done, we're good to go. We're good to go. Now we just have to copy a few DLL files. So I want you to copy the Lua51 DLL. You can actually just search for DLL here and you'll see all the DLLs you need to copy. That's the one. So control C on that. Again, go back to your, wherever your source code is and just paste that in there. Lua51 DLL right there. We're linked and ready to go with Lua. Everything is set. So now we can include our Lua files. I want you to do a Lua include here. And all you need to include is include Lua HPP here. Remember HPP, not H. H is the old one. So this is all the new stuff. And then you want to just include LuaJIT.h. Just like that. You're all included. All the setup is done now for Lua and you're ready to go. No more need to do anything else with linking for this project happily. You can check if you can see all the Lua L new state, for example. There you go, Lua new state. You can see a bunch of things here. And you're good to go. You're good to go. We'll work with this in the coming videos where we'll start working on the game itself and the engine itself. So hopefully you look forward to that. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for watching these boring videos on linking. But when this is set up, you're ready to go. It feels really nice because all the backend stuff is done. So you don't have to think about that. So thank you. Take care. Drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.